Question number 1. What was the only hope left in the hearts of Lencho's family? A. Compensation from government. B. Help from the Farmers Association. C. Help from God. D. There was no hope left. Correct answer. Option C. Help from God. Question number 2. What type of conflict does the chapter highlight? Option A. The conflict between nature and humans. B. Conflict among humans. C. Conflict between God and nature. D. Both A and B. Correct answer. Option D. Both A and B. Question number 3. Lencho's only hope was option A. His friend. C. Villagers. B. His family. D. God. Correct answer. Option D. God. Question number 4. Lencho needs money for option A. Vacation. B. A new house. C. Sowing his field. D. Neighbors. Correct answer. Option C. Sowing his field. Question number 4. What currency of Latin American countries is? Option A. Dollar. B. Pound. C. Pesos. D. Dark. Correct answer. Option C. Pesos. Question number 6. How much money was the postmaster able to arrange? Option A. 100 pesos. B. Nil. C. 1000 pesos. D. 70 pesos. Correct answer. Option D. 70 pesos. Question number 7. Why did the postmaster decide to reply to Lencho's letter? Option A. He was a good man. B. He felt empathetic. C. To preserve Lencho's faith in God. D. All of the above. Correct answer. Option C. To preserve Lencho's faith in God. Question number 8. Who read the letter sent by Lencho? Option A. His wife. B. The postmaster. C. One of the farmer. D. The God. Correct answer. Option B. The postmaster. Question number 9. What was Lencho's wish to God? Option A. Money. B. Gold coins. C. Fruitful harvest. D. Strength. Correct answer. Option A. Money. Question number 10. Where did Lencho carry the letter? Option A. To the village. B. To town. C. To house. D. To God. Correct answer. Option B. To town.